the Gourmia 6-quart digital air fryer. It has the free fry air fryer, stainless steel version, so it's nice and crisp looking. What would a gadget be without a celebrity chef endorsement? Miss Kat Cora. I love seeing her on the Food Network. I am excited. Hello, it's Jakey and welcome back to my channel. I am back to you with an unboxing. It's been a little bit since I've done one of these, but I have wanted an air fryer for about ever. I don't even know when I wanted one, but they're so big now and everyone has them, and you see recipes and you see people sharing stuff about them. But I love me some fried food. Fried food is just about my favorite. I love everything from fried chicken to corn dogs to elephant ears to funnel cakes. You guys have seen some fried things in my videos, but it's not good for you, obviously. There's a high fat content in oil, and that's where the air fryer comes in. Anyways, I've been begging my husband for a long time and he hasn't budged. But I recently went to my mom's house and she had gotten an air fryer and we tried all the things. And by all the things, I mean everything we could find in the freezer section. And that was my diet for about 3 days, and while my gut hurt when I left, it was delicious and I was really impressed with how an air fryer cooked. So I ignored my husband and I bought one. So I was so impressed with the results of what we made in the air fryer. Even though we used it on frozen pre-made things, it still came out significantly better than microwaving, but it was way less time than the oven would take, and my mom's kitchen didn't heat up, so she didn't have to preheat her oven, heat up the entire kitchen, and it was really nice. So the quality of the end product and the time saved was awesome. So we had tater tots, we had jalapeno peppers, and french fries. I can't even remember everything we had. We reheated some leftovers. So everything turned out really great and made me want one. And I'm really excited that I have one before the holidays, because not only can I make recipes to share with you guys, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and you can stay up to date on all of the recipes and food that I share with you, which will include what I make in my new air fryer. But I'm excited to be able to bring air fried appetizers to my holiday gatherings. Things that I'm really looking forward to trying out: fried pickles, fried green beans, fried chicken, basically anything that I think I can dredge but end up pretty dry on the outside. I'm gonna give it a whirl. So to try leftovers in here, to try mini pizzas, pizza rolls, I'm gonna try it all. But today I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. This is the Gourmia stainless steel digital air fryer. It's the 6-quart. I bought mine at Kohl's. This is a pretty popular air fryer brand, so I haven't taken it out of the box yet. I did open it just to see the literature, because I'm a nerd like that and I like to read that stuff. But it comes with a cookbook, so no oil frying cookbook. It looks like there's a lot of really good recipes in here. Baked potatoes, bread, marinated artichoke hearts, stuffed mushrooms, fajita. I mean, things that I would never... Mini cheesecakes, monkey bread. There's so many recipes in here, so that's really nice. I will definitely be looking to that. My user manual, my receipt. Oh, this is just contact information for the company, saying if there's a problem, don't take it back to the store. Now the good stuff. Kind of looks like a coffee maker at first. Giving birth to an air fryer. So pretty. And then I will also record my inaugural run with this. So we'll test it with something. So right from the get-go, it's pretty all together. You can't really see the display yet. It's not plugged in. Well, I'm going to tell you really quick. On the display screen, there are timer controls, a temperature control, a menu button, a power icon, and then there's presets for French fries, cake, pizza, shellfish, poultry, steak, fish, and bacon. Ooh, bacon. So before you use it for the first time, you need to remove all packages, stickers, and labels. Thoroughly clean the pan and the basket with hot water using some dish liquid and a non-abrasive sponge, and then you wipe the inside and the outside with a moist cloth. It does say that the first few times you use it, you might have a hot plastic smell. That's perfectly normal. It will go away after the first few times, meaning you might want to heat it up a few times before you actually put food in it. It's reminding you not to put any fat or liquid in here. Do not put anything on top, and you need to give at least 4 inches of free space in the back and sides for ventilation. It needs to be on a heat resistant surface. So I haven't opened the tray yet. I'll just pull it. Okay, so this is what you wipe out with a moist cloth. This is what you actually clean here. So here's your basket. It lifts everything up, including what goes inside of. So this is inside of the actual shelf itself. And you have to unlock it here, and then you push this, and that takes your basket out, which is nice, because this is what you can put your food in. So this is nice. It's pretty big. I mean, 6 quarts. It's a nice size here. I feel like we could put a lot of French fries in here, and I don't know if you can see, there is a max fill line on here. And you can fill it all the way up to there. I mean, I feel like that's pretty darn good. There are no accessories, so I don't have anything that would help me double stack, but I'm assuming my trivets from the Instant Pop would work well. So I'm just popping this back in. It automatically clicked, and then that protects it. You do not use this button to actually pull it out, which I was mistaken. There you have it. So as comparison, I mean, next to my head, it's pretty big. Now that you have seen what's in the box, I'll show you the display screen plugged in, and we will give you a very quick demo. So this is the size comparison with the Instant Pot. Much larger, obviously. I'll show you the cord length. That is the stretched cord. Not super long, but a little bit of give to it. So the temp goes up in increments of 5, it looks like. We're going to go to menu, and that takes us to all of these. Bacon, cake, or no, that's not bacon, I'm sorry. This is cake, pizza, shellfish, chicken, steak, I think, fish, bacon. That takes it back to just manual. I don't remember what that one is. So that's French fries. And the time, very loud buttons. Having a hard time turning this off. There we go. So you have to hold the power button, otherwise it thinks you're starting it. So start, pause, and power are all the same button. That'll take some getting used to, but that's okay. So now that my air fryer is unboxed, I am gonna go ahead and clean it as they suggested, and then I'm gonna give it its trial run. So I had the air fryer heated for just a few minutes at 320 degrees. I am shutting my drawer and setting it to 5 minutes. I am reheating leftover pizza. I figured this was a really easy try. So we normally reheat pizza in the microwave. I actually like to eat cold pizza, but that was far superior and definitely made me excited to use this air fryer. I have used it in other recipes since. And I hope you will check out my other videos to see what other air fryer stuff I have. I have a new playlist started, so as I make new recipes and try new stuff, you can find them there.